Over 10,000 law school graduates showed up on the first day of this year's bar exams yesterday. More than 12,000 applicants originally applied, but some did not graduate or encountered unforeseen circumstances. This year's group of examinees include 5,200 new applicants, 4,000 previous takers, and nearly 1,200 refreshers. The next exam dates are on September 11 and 15.
Ang tagal ko sa law school, so di ko na alam kung kaya ko ba or ano. Pero kakayanin po. Pinagdasal ko po talaga, nag-pray po ako kay St. Jude kahapon. Tapos nagsimba din po ako.
Siyempre, magkahalong kaba at takot. Siyempre, dahil lalo na may edad na rin tayong magte-take ng bar. Pero laban lang. Sabi nga, may tiyaga, may nilaga.
Alam mo ito yung mga bar taker and mga bar results, laging newsworthy yan kasi madaming kwento lumalabas from this.
Mga inspiring stories.
Inspiring stories. Pag naglalabasan na yung bar results, makikita mo yung mga kwento ng mga former janitor, turned lawyer.
I remember
may taho vendor.
I remember before sa One Balita Weekend, meron ako in-interview. Pumasa din siya sa bar. Ano siya, first ever na lawyer na blind.
Oh yeah, I heard.
Tapos 6 times siya nag-attempt, sixth niya, tsaka lang siya
Yeah, yung
So, very inspiring.
Nag-aaral siya using Braille. I remember that story.
Yes.